In today's video, I am going to teach you how to attach Subdomain Mailerlite. This is a simple process, and the goal is to get your custom domain email address added inside your Mailerlite account so it can be managed from the domain settings area. I will walk through each part slowly so you can follow along on your own screen without feeling rushed. To begin, open Mailerlite and log into your account. Use your normal login method and wait until the main dashboard finishes loading. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one workspace or brand. This helps prevent you from adding the domain information to the wrong place. After you are logged in, look for the account area. This is usually where Mailerlite keeps settings connected to your profile, account preferences, and other setup options. Click on the account area and then choose Settings. The Settings section is where you can control important account details, including domains. This is the correct place to go when you want to connect or manage a custom domain email address in Mailerlite. Once the settings page opens, give the page a moment to load fully. You may see several different tabs or sections. These tabs are there to organize different account options, so you do not have to search through one long settings page. In this case, you are looking for the tab labeled Domains. Click the Domains tab to open the area where Mailerlite lets you add and manage domain-related information. Now that you are in the Domains section, look for the option that says Add Domain. This is the button you need when you want to attach a new domain or domain email address to your Mailerlite account. Click Add Domain. This should open a field or form where Mailerlite asks you to enter the email address connected to your custom domain. At this point, you will type in your custom domain email address. Make sure you enter the address carefully. The format should be a complete email address connected to your custom domain rather than a personal free email provider. For privacy and security, do not share this address publicly in a video, screenshot, or support message unless it is necessary and safe to do so. If you are recording your screen, you may want to blur or hide the address before publishing the video. Before saving, take a quick moment to review what you entered. Check for spelling mistakes, missing characters, or extra spaces. A small typo can prevent the domain email address from being added correctly, so it is worth pausing for a second here. This is also a good time to confirm that the address belongs to the domain you actually want to use with Mailerlite. When everything looks correct, click Save. This tells Mailerlite to store the custom domain email address in your account. After you click Save, wait for the page to respond. Depending on your account and connection, it may take a moment for Mailerlite to confirm the change or update the domains page. Once the save action is complete, you should remain in the Domains section, where the added domain information can be managed. The important part of this tutorial is that you have signed in, opened account settings, gone to the Domains tab, selected Add Domain, entered your custom domain email address, and saved it. That covers everything you need to know. You have now attached your custom domain email address in Mailerlite through the domain settings area, and that is all there is to it.